Welcome to Mysterious Time Travel. In our universe, every phenomenon has some reasons. Some are easily discoverable, but some are mysterious. For knowing about it, we must identify the language of our universe. Humans didn't yet identify it completely. Our universe is expanding greater than the speed of light. Due to this huge expansion, after a certain distance, light will never come into our eyes. As a result, a boundary is formed with Earth as its center. This is called the boundary of observable universe. The observable universe is a very huge region as compared to the Earth and a very small region as compared to the total universe. Due to the expansion of our universe, our visible universe loses a lot of stars each second. Another fact is that the nearest star from Earth after Sun is the Proxima Centauri. It is about 4 light years away from us. It means light needs 4 years to reach Earth from that star. All other stars are millions of light years away from us. So, when we look at the stars at night, it is like looking back in time. That is, what we see now is that happened at least 4 years before that day. Light from some stars will be older than you, that is, you are seeing a star that emits light before you have born. Another unexplained fact is that our Milky Way is rotating at a very higher speed. Its spiral wing have a large number of stars. They are also moving at a very higher speed. The center of the Milky Way is a supermassive black hole. For higher speed rotation, there must be very strong gravitational force, or else the stars at the boundary will be thrown away. When calculating all the masses in the Milky Way and comparing with the velocity of the rotating stars at the boundary, it was found that the gravitational force that is present in our universe is not enough for the rotation of the stars. Thus, we conclude some invisible mass is present in our galaxy at a very large amount. Similar observation was identified in another galaxies also. This invisible matter is called dark matter or exotic matter. Another fact is that if we are near a high gravitational field like a black hole, or we are moving at a greater speed, that is near to the speed of light, our time with respect to others will slow down. The speed of light is a huge speed, so that anything with a mass can never reach that speed. Anything that moves at the speed of light will feel that its time had stopped. If we are living near a black hole, we will be aging slow, and also our weight will be very high, so that we will collapse under our own weight. More about the speed of light is in the suggested video. Please take a look at it. Another interesting fact about our universe is that there are some constants like the speed of light, Planck's constant, etc. They are fixed without any reason. And these cosmological constants are perfectly tuned so that the life on Earth is possible. Another thing is that magnets will never have monopole. That is, a magnet will be always a dipole. A north and a south will be always present in a magnet. If we cut a magnet into 2 pieces, these 2 pieces will be a new magnet with its own north and south. Another mystery is the singularity. When we explain the universe with the language of mathematics, it fails at a point called the singularity. It is present inside a black hole, and the Big Bang is happened from the singularity. Next mystery is the cosmic microwave background. When light emitting objects moves away from us, the wavelength of light increases, and if the light emitting objects moves towards us, the wavelength of light decreases. This phenomenon is Doppler effect. As a result of Doppler effect, a yellow light will be shifted to red. If the star is moving away from us, it will be shifted to blue. Through this phenomena, we can identify how the stars are moving. By splitting the light from the stars using equipments, we can identify the temperature in the surface of the star and also identify the elements on the surface of the star. After the Big Bang, the universe was very hot, filled with hydrogen plasma and emitted radiations of light. The light at the beginning of the universe travels from unimaginable distance towards us. So the light radiations was shifted to the microwave region in which the wavelength is higher than that of red. These radiations are observable today and this give information about how the universe began and the features of the early universe. It is called the cosmic microwave background. Another mystery is the quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement will be explained in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Mysterious Time Travel and hit the like button, and thanks for watching.